wanted to show you tonight how we can format the paragraph. So how to make the paragraph. The first thing we want to do in the paragraph is to make sure that we have a header. And the header is going to have four things. So most important is your name, first name and last name. The next thing is your professor's name. So for me, you can put Professor Pinedo. The next one is the class name. So you could say English 075. And the last one is the date, right? So this is an older date. If you're writing it tonight, you could put September 10th, 2020. So once you have that header with your name and your class information, the next thing you're going to write is, you're going to go ahead and write the paragraph. Now notice that this line, there's a little bit of an indent here, right? So what I did is the first line of every paragraph needs to be indented using the key called tab on your computer. So on your computer on the left side towards the top, there is a button that says TAB, tab. And pressing that one time means that you will indent just a little bit. So only the first line needs to do that. Now the last thing we need to do is we need to double space our paragraph. So if we highlight, click and drag on everything here, and then we're going to come up here to where it is, it looks like this. So there's an arrow and then there's lines going across. Click on this button and then you're going to drag it down to 2.0. Okay, that will make it double spaced. And now even the header and the entire paragraph look a lot longer. This is important because this is part of how a college paragraph should look like, or an academic paragraph should look like. Let me show you the same thing on Google Docs, okay? So right here, I have it all done, but I'm just going to undo it for us. So again, at the top, I have my header, right? And I've used this button to get it on the left side. And if you want to put a title, you can use the center button here. And then the paragraph will be, again, on the left side aligned. Okay, so again, I have indented using the tab button. And the last thing I'm going to do is select everything, and I want to double space. Do you remember what that button looks like to double space in Word? It's the same thing in Google Docs. It's this one, right? So again, I can click on it, and here it doesn't have numbers. It says 1.15 or double. So I'm going to click on double because double means 2.0. And that's it. That's how you format a college paragraph or an academic paragraph. So I hope that helped, students.